Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating neutral brown look in just few simple steps. बहुत ही basic look है. So I'm gonna start with Skin Prep Prime Moisturizer from the brand called Clinique. ये बहुत ही lightweight है and it's fragrance free, really good my skin hydration. Moving on, क्योंकि ये no foundation look है, I'm using a Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer from the brand called MAC to hide my dark circles and pigmentation. I'm in shade NC30. Now I'll use Maybelline का Fit Me concealer. I'm in shade medium 25 to highlight and conceal. और मैं same brush से product को press करती हूँ so that it stays and get fixed. Peach shade का blush इस look पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा और अच्छा लगता है. I'll try to stick to such tones, mixing it with light pink. Now fixing my base with Mars Cosmetics का setting powder जिसे हम translucent powder भी कहते हैं. Now to shape my brows, I use Benefit Cosmetics की बहुत ही सुंदर प्यारी पेंसिल called Precisely My Brow Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil और फिर मैं इसे फिल करूँगी अपने Makeup Revolution की brow kit से. I'm in shade medium. Now I use this super gorgeous travel friendly eyeshadow palette from the brand called Pigment Play Beauty. I've been obsessed with it. This specific palette is the most favorite called Playground Hero Shadow palette. Has 9 different matte shades with all the lilacs, browns, shimmers, golden and whatnot. अब मैं highlighter use करूँगी to highlight and to get that glow instantly. Oh my god, look at that glow. That's absolutely beautiful. Now mascara, Huda Beauty का ये mascara which is dual ended, long lasting, super matte and gives long lashes with great volume. I absolutely love it. Now time for lipstick application. I'm not gonna tell you the shade. You gotta tell me in the comment section down below which shade is it according to you. This is from the brand called MAC and I absolutely love this and I almost wear this every day. It's a mixture of a brown, pink, coral peachy shade. I'm sure you must be knowing it. Let me know in comment section. I'm waiting and I would love to hear it back from you. Now finishing this look by wearing this Kajal Cum Blue eyeshadow stick by Seri Cosmetics. So this is the final and simple neutral look that I do a lot of times. If you did enjoy watching this, please do like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.